It's so good. What's up, Team T, baby? Okay. Hips don't lie when we making sweets, you guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful summer day. No, just kidding. It's not summer yet, but it feels like it's summertime. I just got my hair a little bit more tame today for you guys, so I'm not always playing with it. I put the part C, I'm trying to grow my bangs, so I had to put it a little updo up there when I'm letting the rest dry, so I don't have to always play with the part that's always in my face. Ladies, you know the struggle. Anyways, so today we are making some cookies for the sweet tooth that happens on the daily. We're making some cookies out of more beans, but we've never done this bean. Okay, let me show you. This is the Great Northern Bean. So this is either, usually when you see it, it's called the white bean or the Great Northern Bean, people refer to. It's really good inside of like chili. It's really good inside of pasta vazul, which is an Italian recipe. It's really good in a lot of recipes. The white bean, it's like really creamy and high in protein. Again, your beans is where you're gonna get your protein. So like I tell you guys, I like to make recipes. I'm gonna say it every time just for the new subscribers and the new viewers. Like I say every time, I like to make recipes with benefits. So we're gonna make cookies, but it has a benefit to it. So it's gonna have protein. It's gonna be low on the sugar, the glycemic scale. It's gonna have more protein from the peanut butter, because peanut butter has protein and your good fats. So it's a really simple, easy recipe, and I'm gonna let you guys know this right now. I've never made cookies before with this bean, and I've never made these cookies before, so I am showing you guys and experimenting today with you, so you get to see if it's good or if it fails. And the other thing is I got rid of my old food processor, like some of you guys know. So I'm not sure how I'm going to mash the beans on this one, because usually for like my black bean brownies and stuff, I blend it in the blender because I need more of like milk and I need more of like that batter consistency. But this one, I need it to be a little bit thicker than a snicka for the cookies, so I can't have it be like watery at all. So I'm thinking I'm either gonna pound the beans or blend them in my magic bullet, but your girl's not sure yet. So let's get started, but I don't really know what I'm gonna do, so let's just see if this comes out good. Okay, so first we have to mash the beans, because I decided I'm not going to try and put it in my little processor or my little blender, because I don't need any liquid, so it's just going to get all stuck. So I decided to pound it maybe a little bit too hard. I should have been a little bit more gentle with these beans. Okay, Tariana, you are hurting the beans now. At this point, you are not pounding them. Okay, you guys, if you have a food processor, I highly recommend it, because this is a workout just to make cookies. Like, if you don't have a food processor, over here putting in work for these cookies. But I guess that's what they did back in the days, right? They gotta work for what they want for their food, so we could do it. Oh man, I gotta get a new food processor. Alright, now you will add in, oh my gosh, I swear I go to the gym. This cap was just stuck for the life of me, and my hands were wet, so it didn't help. But yeah, it's sad I can't open a freaking vanilla cap. Anyways, you're gonna add in like 2 little splashes. That was probably like a teaspoon. I told you guys when I bake, I don't necessarily measure everything. I do it my way. And then I added a couple little pinches of pink Himalayan sea salt. And then I did measure this baking powder just because we're baking. So I did about like an overflowing, I guess I did a little bit more of overflowing teaspoon of baking powder just in case, so they can just rise a little bit more. And then I used coconut sugar today instead of agave syrup, which coconut sugar is very low on the glycemic. So, you know, we're trying to keep that waist slim ass fat. Okay, sorry. Anyways, so 1/4 of coconut sugar. And then I did also 1/4 of peanut butter. And you can use almond butter too, which is really good. So any kind of nut butter that you like. And then pretty much just stir it up really good. Add in your chocolate chips. And yas, be. Oh my god. Okay, you guys. So this made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 little diddly poppers. Now, you can either press them down for a flatter cookie, or you can leave them plump so they're a little bit thicker. And you guys, I haven't done a taste test, but just from this batter, wow. Like, I don't even think I could taste the beans, which is freaking crazy to me. Okay, let me stop because I know I'm gonna want more than one of these bad boys. So make sure you have your oven preheating to 350, so when it goes off, these go right in, and literally it's gonna take about 10 minutes because I told you, like, it's all natural ingredients. So these are like the fastest baking cookies. So whenever you have a sweet tooth, this is perfect. So let's put them in for about 10 minutes and take them out and see how they taste. I just can't seem to stop, you guys. Try this batter. Okay, so while I wait for my cookies to bake, I usually clean up. So then after, I don't have to do that. Oh my god, there's still more in here. What am I gonna do? I have to eat it. So like I told you guys before about the mukbang thing, and I asked on my Instagram if I should do it, and the votes were pretty high of yes. So it looks like I'm going to be sitting here eating in front of the camera. I will put down what it means, what mukbang, whatever bang, however you say it means. I'll put what it means for you guys so you can really see like why people do this. It's like a huge thing, especially on YouTube. It's really funny, and I just thought since cooking is my passion and that's all I do, it'd be fun to do a mukbang. So I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do it alone or who I'm going to do it with, because just like I guess a lot of people talk about things, and so I was thinking about doing it with my friend or alone, but I shout out on there, should I do a Q&A, and a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a Q&A, but I don't really like to just sit down and do a Q&A. I think that's so boring. So I was thinking maybe while I'm doing the mukbang, I could do the Q&A. So if you guys want me to do it that way, then leave your questions on this video. Drop them down on this video, or I'll leave my Instagram here. You can message me your question. But I will be choosing a lot of questions, especially since your girl eats a lot. I'll probably be eating a lot of food, and depending on what it is, I don't know how long it's going to take. Anyways, so leave your question down here below on this video. Please, you guys, I'm only going to answer questions that are real and realistic. I'm not going to answer any dumb questions, so just don't even leave them, please, because I'll just erase them. Just be respectful and just ask me any question, but just a real one, okay? Be a real one. Yeah, so I'm going to go clean up and then we'll do the taste test. Okay, you guys, this is dangerous because I haven't ate lunch yet, so self-control needs to be on right now. But I am gonna do the taste test for you guys, and I really think that these came out amazing just from the batter. Like, oh my gosh. Hold on, let me break open that chocolate. Okay, I'm practicing for my mukbang because you have to show the camera what you're eating. Alright, we going in. Wow. See, sometimes I'm just left speechless because it's so freaking good. This is so dangerous because I can literally eat like at least 6 right now because I'm like, shit, it's made out of beans. It's good for you. It's high in protein. But I haven't ate lunch yet, and I need to save some room down here for some real food. I mean, like a real lunch, not just cookies. But these, oh, you guys, when I say you have to make these, I mean it. Because that means I'm like, okay, this is really fucking good. And you need this in your life. Like, I wish you can all try one. It's so good. But I'm not surprised because beans, the magical freaking beans. Like I always say, these things make miracles. And you could do so much with beans, but I'm surprised how good it came out. Yes, because these cookies do not taste anything like a vegan cookie or a bean cookie. How people are just like so scared to try vegan food just because it has the word vegan in it. But I hope you give these a try. They're amazing, and that is all I have for you today. I'll see you on my next video.